Ways to make him worry about losing you. I know most of you are trying to find ways to make him worry about losing you at some point in your relationship. I also know that relationships can sometimes be hard to handle, especially if you are with someone who is not ready to change his mind because of you. Guys probably think that a good wife will always be good, but they are so wrong. Even the best wives will explode at some point and decide to give up on everything they have been fighting for. 1. Make him worry about losing you by not being available. If you want to indirectly show your man that he will lose you if he continues behaving badly, you can act like you are unavailable to him. Don't be there when he needs you and live your life just like you have always dreamed of. Don't tell him so much about your life and your friends and let him guess what you have been doing in your spare time. If you continue behaving like that for a longer period of time, he will realize that something is not right and he will try to make you happy. In that way, you will make him think about you more and he will definitely try harder to make your life better. 2. Talk about future plans he is not included in. If you tell your man that you are going with your friends to some interesting place for the weekend, he will ask himself what you will be doing with them. Add a little bit more spice to the whole story by telling him that there will be both boys and girls from your office and that you are planning to have a barbecue near a river. It will make him wonder why he is not invited and he will constantly be thinking about if any of those guys will try something with you. He knows that at parties like that there tends to be a lot of alcohol, so he will be worried that you will cheat on him. This will be his wake-up call and it will show him that you have your life and your friends and that your happiness doesn't depend on him. 3. Don't answer his messages right away. Guys get tired of clingy and needy girlfriends at very short notice. So, if you want to make him worry about losing you, don't answer his phone calls or his messages right away. Let him wait a little bit because he will respect you more after you do that. He will see that you are not available every time he thinks of you and that he needs to go the extra mile if he wants to keep you in his life. If you continue doing this, you will see that your relationship will improve. And remember that once you change your attitude, things in your life will change for the better as well. 4. Surprise him with new sex moves. Here is the deal: if you want to know how to make him worry about losing you, try to make some changes in the bedroom. If you do that, he will think, "Where did she learn all this?" And he will be surprised by how well you are doing it at the same time. And then in the blink of an eye, you will catch him thinking about something he won't want to reveal. If you ask him why he is being so distant, he will just deny it and he will change the topic. But in fact, he will be wondering if you learned all those moves with another man, and that feeling will eat him alive. Congratulations, because you just made him think about you and his behavior lately. And once he realizes that he made a mistake and that he neglected you, he will try to change his behavior and to make you a happy and fulfilled woman. 5. Pamper yourself. In order to make him worry about losing you, do some good things for yourself. If you gained a couple of pounds, start going to the gym to make yourself feel better. You will make him wonder why all of a sudden you want to look good again, and once you look like a Victoria's Secret angel when you finish your workout, that will make him never, ever take his eyes off of you. He will feel bad about taking you for granted and he will try to be a better man to you. Make sure that you do something like this as soon as you see that your relationship is not the same as before. If you wait for a long time to show him that he should change and that he will lose you if he doesn't, it might be too late. 6. Flirt in front of him. If you want to make your man worry about losing you, do some sneaky things in order to show him that you also have other options. When a good-looking guy walks by you, look him deep in his eyes and check him out, but make sure that your partner sees that. It will make him feel jealous and he will think that another man is a threat to him. It gets even better if a random man approaches you and offers to buy you a drink, as that will make your guy want to explode, but that is a lesson he has to learn for treating you like you didn't deserve. It will be enough to do this only once to him because he won't think that he owns you anymore. He will realize that another man would treat you better and that he should go the extra mile if he wants to keep you in his life. 7. Stop being clingy. If you act all clingy and needy, your man won't ever miss you. He will take you for granted and he will think that you will always be there for him. So if you want to make him worry about losing you, don't be needy and don't seek his attention all the time. Show him that you can have fun without him and that you don't need him to complete you. When you do that, your man will see that you are not the woman you used to be and that there is a chance that you leave him if he doesn't treat you right. By doing this, you will get what you want and your man will see that you are stronger than he thought you were. 8. Try to be more distant. Who says that love shouldn't be a little bit wicked? If something will help you reach your goal, then go for it. If you see that your man is acting rude or that he is not interested in you anymore, try some tricks that will make him change his mind. Acting distant will always help because he will wonder what else could be in your head other than him. If he asks you if everything is okay with you, just tell him that everything is fine and continue doing what you are doing. That will show him that you are not interested in him like before and that he has to work hard to bring your love back. 9. Don't please him all the time. If you teach your man that as long as you are there everything will be just fine, he will eventually start taking you for granted. So, whatever you do, don't please him by giving him everything that he wants. You also have the right to enjoy your life and to do things that make you happy. Don't put him first because he is not worthy of it. If he was, he wouldn't have done this to you. You need to know that men will take advantage of you if you let them, and the better you are with them, the worse they will be with you. So, be a bitch for a change and give him restrictions. After you do that, he will see that you are not fooling around and that you are serious. That will make him change his mind and he will do his best to please you for a change. 10. Have your own friends. Go out with friends that are only yours. You don't have to share everything with him because you are already sharing a lot. If you go out with your friends while he stays at home, he will start thinking about if you are having a good time with him, which will make him worry about losing you, and he will change his mind and his behavior as well. What is the bottom line here? You need to make moves like this not to hurt your man but to show him that you can survive without him as well. It will be good for your relationship and it will make you two learn that it takes a lot of sacrifice for good things to happen.